Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the timeless charm and versatility of Christmas bows in holiday decor. Whether you love a traditional look or want something modern and chic, bows can instantly transform your space. We've gathered some creative ideas that will make your Christmas decorations stand out, and the best part is, they're easy to replicate. Let's dive in. Glam pink bows with evergreen garland. Add a touch of elegance to your space with an evergreen garland accented by soft pink bows. Pair this with a Christmas tree decorated with ribbons and a large bow on top for a cohesive and chic look. Classic red and silver tree. For a timeless design, decorate your tree with lights, silver ornaments, and small red bows. This classic style never goes out of fashion. Modern glam tree. Style your tree with pink ornaments, tinsel stars, and bows for a trendy, glamorous look. Hot pink tree topper. Skip the traditional star or angel topper and opt for a large hot pink bow to create a modern and eye-catching focal point. Champagne elegance. Adorn your tree with small champagne-colored bows and an oversized one at the top for a fashionable and sophisticated touch. Upgrade basic ornaments. Add mini bows to your regular ornaments to instantly make them cuter and more unique. Red bow statement. Create a bold, fun look by topping your tree with an oversized red bow and adding lights for extra sparkle. White and trendy. Go minimalist and modern with an oversized white bow paired with twinkling lights. Perfect for a trendy Christmas vibe. Metallic glam. Combine metallic ornaments with bows to achieve a shiny, luxurious tree. Add some warm lights for the ultimate glam factor. Flock tree with white bows. Accent a flock tree with pine cones, lights, and delicate white bows for a cute and sophisticated design. All about decor. Skip traditional ornaments and use small white bows all over your tree. It's a budget-friendly yet stylish solution. Classic meets modern. A tree with lights, candle-shaped ornaments, and clear drops paired with white bows creates a jaw-dropping modern classic look. Neutral tan bow topper. Top your tree with a large tan bow and keep the rest simple with lights for a trendy, minimalist aesthetic. Colorful velvet wreath bows. Swap out classic red ribbons for colorful velvet bows to give a fresh, vibrant look to a traditional wreath. Rustic burlap and gingham wreath. Add a rustic touch to an evergreen wreath with a burlap bow and gingham ribbon accents. Decorative doorway. Frame your entryway with evergreens, vintage bells, wooden beads, and bows for a welcoming and festive display. Banister elegance. Wrap your banister with evergreens and white bows to match a neutral, nature-inspired decor theme. Modern asymmetric wreath. Use various bows, striped and velvet, and attach them to just one side of a wreath for a sleek, contemporary design. Pine cones and red bows. Combine pine cones with red bows on an evergreen garland for a classic holiday look that works in any space. Chaotic velvet bow wreath. Skip the orderly look and style your wreath with colorful velvet bows in a fun, chaotic arrangement. Bows are such a simple yet versatile addition to your Christmas decor, and these ideas are proof of their charm. Which of these ideas is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. See you in the next video.